Doing our truck here today. I have a 2011 Murano with 100K. Got a clean hood, a front bumper rebar, a left front fender, complete knee, left front, a clean door. It's got the panoramic sunroof in it, chrome roof rack, clean left rear door, rear suspension complete, left and right. Got a nice deck lid with spoiler, hinges, camera, lights. Got a clean rebar going with that back bumper cover, complete rear bumper with a rebar. Right rear quarter clean. Right rear suspension clean. Looks like we're gonna do 4 tires. Got a nice rear door, nice front door, right side. We're doing the front door for parts. Right front suspension complete. Runs good, 100K. Oil was clean and full. Got the V6. Got the California emissions level 2 label. Interior tan leather. Double sunroof, heated seats. Master window switch. It's got nav, auto heater control, heated seats, leather armrest, good bags all around. 100K. Runs great. If you need any parts off this Murano, it does have the Bose sound system in it. Give the sales guys a call. Have a great day.